From the main weigh screen, you can weigh a truck or print a gross ticket. Without doing any configuration, you can weigh a truck by clicking on the Weigh Truck push button. You will be prompted with an on-screen keyboard to enter the truck ID. It will capture the incoming weight or first weigh. The truck can leave the scale. Return to the scale and press the Weigh Truck button again. This will give you a gross tare net. With any of the configuration options, you can use it in attended or unattended weighing situations. To configure additional options, you can hold on to the B-TEK logo until it turns red, about 3 to 5 seconds. Enter the passcode, by default is 2050, and go to the prompts. From here, you can change the way you enter trucks with a manual on-screen keyboard like we just saw. You can select from a list or a gallery control of buttons, and you can allow operators, be it attended or unattended, to add them from the list. For now, we'll leave it as manual entry, and we'll enable some other features, such as customer. We'll prompt that on the inbound, so on first weighment. We'll select those from a gallery control of buttons, and we'll select a product on outbound, and we'll select it from a list without the option to add additional. Before we leave the configuration screen, we need to add some customers and products. We'll go to the customer editor. We'll select add. We can use the on-screen keyboard, or optionally, if you have a USB keyboard plugged into the indicator, you can type. We'll add one more. From the screen, you can also remove, edit, and filter down the list by typing on the keyboard. You'll notice that the product editor looks exactly the same and functions in a similar manner. Once you've got your products added, we can hit the exit button. And from here, we'll go ahead and exit out as well. Now, if we go through the weighing process, a truck has entered the scale. We'll select the Weigh Truck push button. We'll enter our truck again. We'll select the customer, which is what we turned on from our gallery control list. And we'll get the inbound weight or first weighment. The truck exits the scale and returns light. Again, we press the Weigh Truck push button, enter the truck ID again. And now we can select from the list. Optionally, as I described before, we can search the list as well by typing in letters. Now on our confirmation screen, we get all the information repeated, and we can hit the green check box to complete the transaction and print a ticket. There are additional options in the out-of-box software that you can configure as well, such as stored trucks with stored tare weights, haulers, and the ability to export tickets from the system to a CSV file using a USB flash drive.